when on the content randomizer and you want to use the shortcode and alt shortcode, first you go to template pages. This is where you build your pages at. Once you're on one of your template pages, you have a shortcode overview panel. All of these are different geographical terms that you use in place of content. Any box that is highlighted in gray would be the abbreviated state version. So if you see state here, you'll see city state abbreviated. So anywhere you see the gray, it's a second option for abbreviated. There's another really nice feature here. Anywhere you use this one, random location format, it will switch between all of these different formats in a content block. This is the alt tag shortcodes. This will be your main shortcode for service images, for local images. This is the abbreviated version. This is the abbreviated version. User keyword shortcodes are here and here for your keywords and for your service keywords, here and here. Anywhere you put that stuff in the content, it becomes random from these separate lists.